We are now going to study some of the most frequent situations where two boats encounter each other. Head-on situation. When two power-driven vessels are approaching head-on or nearly so, in such a way as to create a risk of collision, each vessel must alter course to starboard to pass to the port side of the other. If you cannot pass port to port, you must make two short sounds to indicate your intention and alter your course to port. Make sure the other vessel understands your intent before proceeding. The other vessel must respond with two short sounds. One vessel overtaking another. An overtaking vessel must take early and substantial action to keep well clear from the vessel it is overtaking. When a vessel cannot determine with certainty whether it is overtaking another vessel, it should consider itself an giveaway vessel and maneuver accordingly. Two vessels passing each other. When two power-driven vessels are approaching at right angles or nearly so, and the risk of collision exists, the vessel that can see the port side of the other vessel, its red light at night, should move out of the way of the other vessel and if possible avoid it by passing behind it. It is the giveaway vessel. The other vessel, the stand-on vessel, must maintain its course and speed so as not to mislead the giveaway vessel. Any change in course or speed to avoid a collision must be significant enough to be immediately perceived by any vessel observing it visually or by radar. If necessary, a driver should reduce speed to avoid collision with another vessel.